this one. So what kind of figure we have seen? There are only two triangles in the middle part of in the bottom part of the triangle. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be C. This will be our answer. Now again, what is the next question? See, if you want to solve this question without using paper, so you have to apply the logic of water image and mirror image. That means if you start unfolding this from the end, so first of all there will be a water image of 0. Here it will be 0 0. It is unfolded. Now is in spite of this fold, there was no fold available, so that means only this part will available. So this will be our answer. But within practical, we'll see is it really working or not. We have taken a paper in the form of a square. First it says that first fold from the top. I have folded already. Now in the second part it says that fold from the bottom. It is also we have folded. Then there is a 0 circle. We have put the circles in the middle, and after unfolding, if you unfolded this, so see, we can easily see what kind of figure we are getting. We are getting the figure which is related with C. So this will be our answer. Now come to the next part. Come to the next question. See, a circle is once twice is folded, and in the end there is a design, maybe say that there is a mark of a triangle. So after unfolding, what kind of figure we'll get, we'll see that. Now see, this much not like a circular, but maybe circular. Okay, so I have taken this is a circle. Now first fold from the middle of the part. I have folded. From the half of the circle, I have already folded, and this mark the triangle in the middle of that quarter circle. That means okay. So if you mark the triangle in the middle, and if you unfold this circle in the form, what kind of figure we'll get? We'll get like this. So easily we can say that what will be our answer? Our answer will be B. So this was all about in the chapter. You should try the remaining question. They are quite similar kind of questions, and damn easy. Just try it.